Hi guys, good afternoon. Kamusta kayo? Friends from Japan, friends from Malaysia, kamusta kayo? And those Filipino OFWs na gusto mag-invest, kamusta po kayo? This is JM once again from Double Dragon Properties. And right now we're here sa Hotel 101 Global Showroom. So yung mga naunang video natin, nandun tayo, tinur ko kayo dun sa mga local projects natin. Now I'm proudly want na ipakita sa inyo itong mga Hotel 101 global projects natin. So since naging successful yung mga nauna natin at nilaunch natin projects inside the Philippines, yung owner po ng Double Dragon, they think that if the other countries can create their own homegrown hotel, why as Filipinos can create also our own. So there is no doubt na naging successful, and last September 30, 2023, binili nila ng subsidiary ng Double Dragon ang isa sa mga piece of land in Niseko, Japan. So it's a total of 9,000 square meters ininvest nila, and I just want to show you yung projects na ino-offer namin at gusto ko i-discuss sa inyo. So this is the miniature of the Niseko, Japan. It consists of 7 stories with 5 guest elevators, and consists of 482 happy rooms. And this is located sa Niseko, Hokkaido Prefecture, Japan. So, saan nga ba ang Niseko? No. Niseko is known as the world ski capital of Japan. So marami pong mga turista at investors na nagpupunta rito. And take note po na malapit lang din siya sa Sapporo International Airport. So sa mga friends natin or kababayans natin na gusto mag-invest, since si Hotel 101 is offering a business and an investment na every month may kikitain ka 30% profit sharing. Depende dun sa magiging occupancy rate ng ating mga tenants. So, since ang Niseko Japan is kilala nga bilang ski capital of Japan, marami tayo, and we projected na mas dadami pa yung tenants natin soon in the future. So, take note po na marami pa po tayong project aside from Niseko Japan. We also have in Madrid, Spain na ino-offer po natin. And last week lang po, ilo-launch na rin natin yung susunod natin na Hotel 101 located naman in US. But for now, hindi ko pa po kasi pwedeng sabihin kung saan doon. Maganda lang po is si Hotel 101 is natutupad talaga yung vision niya. At ang vision nila is to create nga the first homegrown hotel worldwide. So if you have any questions, computations, we can do Zoom meetings. If may mga client din po kayo na interested mag-invest sa Japan, please let us know po, and we will help you. We will help you po to cater all those requirements po ng clients natin. So once again, this is JM, and stay tuned for the next video, and salamat po. Bye-bye.